Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change a background of an image in Photoshop. So firstly open up your Photoshop, then choose the background by just simply going in file, then open, then choose the background, then just simply press open. So after you've imported the background, what you have to do is now again go to file, now click on place embedded, and now select the background that you want to remove. Then just simply click paste, and now just simply click on the tick icon over here, and now what you have to do is just simply click on the image, then click on quick selection tool, then over here click on select subject, then click on select and mask. Now as you can see, the previous background has been removed, but there are still some issues over here. So what you can do is just simply click on the quick selection tool, then just simply zoom in, and then by choosing the quick selection tool just simply press alt and remove the unwanted areas of the image. So before doing that, decrease the size of your brush, for example 11. Now just simply hold alt and remove the unwanted areas. So after you're done making changes, just simply scroll back, and you can also use the refine edge brush tool over here to refine the edges. So after making all the changes, go to the output setting, and in the output just simply click on the drop box and choose new layer with layer mask, then press OK. Now select the image and then hit Ctrl+T, then resize the image according to you. Then after making all the changes, just simply again press enter, and now what you have to do is just simply click on the adjustment layer over here and select curves, and now after opening curves, click on clip all layers, which will affect all the clips under this layer. And now after doing that, and now just simply select on the left hand side image and hit auto, which will automatically make color correction in your image. Now again go to the adjustment layer, and over there select gradient, then in the style choose radial, then click on reverse, and make sure that your foreground color is black over here. So after that in the scale option, just simply take the scale of 275 and then press OK. And that's it. That's how you can change a background in Photoshop. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.